Commemoration of Waqia Karbala. Ashura. The anniversary of Imam Husayn's martyrdom is observed globally through mourning processions, sermons, and lectures. Mourning processions Eid al-Adha. Devotees participate in processions, often wearing black attire and reciting elegies. Charity and community service. Many engage in charitable activities and community service to honor the sacrifices of Imam Husayn. Pilgrimage to Karbalāʼ. Devotees visit Karbala, the site of Imam Husayn's martyrdom, to pay their respects. Waqia is a powerful reminder of the importance of standing up against oppression and fighting for justice and righteousness. The incident's significance extends beyond its historical context, serving as a timeless symbol of resistance and sacrifice. The lessons from Waqia Karbala are numerous, including Hakar and Saf Kela Qurbani. Sacrificing for justice and righteousness is a fundamental aspect of Islamic values. Standing up against tyranny and oppression is essential for maintaining justice and dignity. The Battle of Karbala, fought on October 10, 680 AD, was a pivotal event in Islamic history. Here are the main Islamic leaders involved and their struggles. 1. Imam Husayn ibn Ali, as grandson of Prophet Muhammad and the leader of the battle. He refused to pledge allegiance to Yazid, the Umayyad caliph, due to his tyranny and injustice. Struggle. Imam Husayn fought against oppression, upholding Islamic principles and justice. 2. Abbas ibn Ali, as Imam Husayn's half-brother and flag-bearer. He played a crucial role in the battle, fighting bravely. Struggle. Abbas demonstrated unwavering loyalty to Imam Husayn and the cause. 3. Ali Akbar ibn Husayn, as Imam Husayn's son, known for his bravery. He fought valiantly in the battle. Struggle. Ali Akbar represented the younger generation's commitment to justice and faith. 4. Ali Asghar ibn Husayn, as infant son of Imam Husayn, who was martyred during the battle. Struggle. The martyrdom of Ali Asghar symbolizes the sacrifice of innocent lives in the face of tyranny. 5. Habib ibn Muzahir, a companion of Imam Husayn, who joined him in Karbala. Struggle. Habib exemplified loyalty and dedication to the cause. These leaders, along with others, fought against the Umayyad army, led by Umar ibn Sa'd, Shimar ibn Diljaz Khan. The Battle of Karbala symbolizes resistance against oppression, sacrifice for justice, and loyalty to Islamic principles. In conclusion, Waqia Karbala is a pivotal event in Islamic history that continues to inspire and influence Muslims worldwide. Its significance lies in its powerful message of resistance against oppression, sacrifice for justice and faith, and loyalty to Islamic principles.